your kit, you're going to get a set of 2 brackets. Now I have 2 kits here because we're going to be building 2 shelves. You're also going to get the necessary hardware needed. We have some anchors as well as a few screws to help with the install into your wall. So now that we have the roundover as well as the stain added to our shelving boards, we're ready to go ahead and start installing these. Now before we add them to our wall, we're going to go ahead and just position on the shelving boards themselves where we want our pipe brackets to sit. And an easy way to do this is to just take a level, and I like to back it up against that back flange. Now there are 2 different ways that you could orient these. If you have a longer shelf, you could add the longer side to your wall. Since I have some thinner shelves, I'm going to orient it this way. So I like to just take that level and just sit it there on that flange. And then I can just back it up to the back edge. Now this is going to be the side that's going to go on my wall, so I want to make sure that I'm flush with this flange and the back of that shelving board. Now in terms of the spacing of my brackets, that's really up to your personal preference. I'm just going to have them sit 6 inches in from the outside edge. So now that I have my wall flange flush with the back of my shelf, I'm ready to go ahead and just mark some spots here where we're going to add our screws onto the bottom of our shelves. So I'm going to go ahead and just run these in. One thing to mention is I did have to use a shorter screw. The screws that come with the kit were too long for the lumber that I needed, but I will utilize these in my wall. So now that we've got that side done, we're going to do the same thing over here. And once I like the placement on that, I'll go ahead and mark that like we did the other side. And then I can just run my shorter screw down in there. So I've just placed my shelves up here on the wall with my level on top just to make sure that I'm straight across my wall. Once I get it into the exact spot I like, I'm just going to add a mark in each flange hole, and that's going to show me where I need to install my anchors. And once we have those marked, we can remove the shelf from the wall. And now I'm going to take a drill bit that's just smaller than my anchor and just go ahead and pre-drill in all of those spots that I marked for my flange. And then once I have those drilled out, I can just take my anchors and just pop them in the wall there in each of those spots. Now I can just place the shelving assembly back up here. I'm gonna go ahead and just start 1 screw on each side, and then I'll check and just double check for my level. And then we can just finish up the rest of the screws.